How to restore missing download folder in your Windows 11. So I'm going to show you 2-3 methods that you can use as per requirement. Okay, so its first method, we need to just right click on the star or window button, go to the task manager here. Under the task manager, go to the processor, okay, and search for explorer. Under the window process, we need to select that, right click on it and just click on the restart. So it will be restart, and now you can check. So let me go in the file. Okay, here I have the download folder here. Okay, so still if you are not seeing show your download folder in your file explorer, so there is a second method. Go here in three dot options. Okay, go to the options here and just click on restore default setting. So your default setting will be restored and you can see your download folder. Okay, now you can refresh the folder, so you can see your folder file here. If still not, it's not showing your folder download folder in your file manager, so now come to the home and here you can see, maybe see download folder, right click on it and make it pin it. Okay, quick access, you need to pin it, or you can go to the search and search for download, and under the download you can see that folder like this. So right click on it and pin to the quick access. Okay, just pin to the quick access, so it will be pin it. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.